Hey there, welcome to Artis IVF, a platform designed to support everyone in the IVF ecosystem. Please enter your username and password to access Artis. We are currently on the dashboard page. Here you will see the ongoing cycles, appointments, alerts, and your to-dos for the day. Let me introduce you to the Artis menu, where you can manage your daily functions. Now, let's register your first patient on the Artis platform. Here's your registration form. We provide options for lead and referral doctor types. Let's start with registering through a referral doctor. First, select the city to find the doctor you're looking for. Let's choose Hyderabad. Next, select the doctor from the list. Enter the patient's PIN code to locate their address. The lead reference number is optional. Now, let's enter the patient's personal details. Start with their first name, their last name, then, their date of birth, occupation, mobile number, email, marital status, gender, and optionally, upload a display picture. Next, enter the patient's address details. You can proceed with registration even if this is incomplete. Now that we have all the details, let's proceed with registration. Now, let's understand the lead referral type, which can come from sources like social media or hoardings. For the referral name, you can enter Google, Facebook, or another source. The process for registration is similar to that for a referral doctor. We hope this clarifies the patient registration process for you. Thanks for watching.